Hi, New Life Southwoods. Ako po si Sunny at ito po ang asawa ko na si Yam. So we started attending New Life Southwoods noong 2019 before the pandemic. And actually si Yam ang discover ng church. Paano nga pala tayo nag-start?
Okay, since 2011, we've been searching for a permanent church na where my family and I will grow spiritually. Dahil sa palipat-lipat din kami ng location from Cavite City to Laguna. So 2016 to 2018, lilipat kami sa may San Pedro at nakakapag-church lang kami pag umuwi kami sa mom ko sa Binyan. 2019, nakita namin tong church, New Life Southwoods. That time, nasa cinema pa ito, tama?
Oo, nasa cinema. Cinema 1. To put into context, since grade 2 or grade 1, mga Christian na kami. Ako po Baptist, si Young Boys born again. So, we've been regularly attending church. Na ano lang nung, since pag mag-asawa na kayo, you'll be moving to location.
Yeah.
Yun. Kaya yung sinasabi niya.
And then, yeah, to 2019, when I gave birth to my second child, syempre nandun na, yung sobrang busy ka. May one night na may, alam mo na, burnt out ako, sobrang pagod ka sa mom, pag gano'n naman talaga, pag bagong panganak, parang meron talagang bumubulong sa'yo na you give all your burdens to God and He will sustain you. So, 2020, pandemic happened. Lumipat ulit kami sa Dasma, Cavite, and this time, permanent location na. But, medyo andun pa rin yung struggle namin na umatin ng umatin every Sunday. Pero this time,
So yun, we've been resorting to online attendance from time to time. Pero nga kagaya nung message ni Pastora and Pastor last week, it's not about the nearest church. It's about the dearest. And sobrang dear sa amin itong New Life Southwoods kasi through the years, since nga umatid kami since 2019.
during pandemic,
During pandemic.
they prayed for us.
They've been reaching out to us. They've been a huge blessing to us. Lahat ng mga key moments namin sa buhay mag-asawa, sa family. And then yun nga, nag-recover kami sa pandemic. Nagkaroon kami ng COVID buong family. Tapos nagkaroon ng blessings, trabaho ko. Nandiyan din yung New Life. And eventually, dahil doon, gaya nga na sinabi ni Yang kanina, we've been moving from location to location. Pero ngayon, since 2 years ago, in 2 years,
Nag-decide kami
naka-acquire na kami ng property.
Yeah, and nag-decide kami na dito na talaga magstay sa New Life Southwoods. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ng message ni Pastora Grace last Sunday, sinabi din niya na it's not about the nearest church, it's about the dearest church. Because here, we feel that we are truly a part of New Life Southwoods family.
Kaya yun, gusto lang namin magbigay ng testimony. Sobrang salamat sa Diyos, kay Lord na pinakilala niya sa amin yung New Life. And we hope and pray more power sa New Life, sa church.
More blessings po sa mga leaders natin.
Especially kay Pastora Grace and Pastor James. So yun.
Salamat po sa panalangin sa aming pamilya.
Thank you, New Life.
God bless everyone.